Traveling solo to Fiji? Start with smart packing. Bring lightweight clothing, swimwear, a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and high SPF sunscreen. Don't forget mosquito repellent and hydration aids like Hydrolite ice blocks. If snorkeling or diving is on your agenda, pack the gear. Remember, versatility and mobility are your best friends when exploring the islands. Fiji's weather can be unpredictable, especially during the cyclone season from December to February. Stay updated on weather advisories, check with your accommodation on safety protocols, and keep emergency contacts close. Despite the weather risks, this season offers lush landscapes and vibrant culture, making it a unique time to visit. Respect local customs by dressing modestly, especially in villages or religious sites. Engage with locals respectfully, avoiding sensitive topics. Keep valuables concealed and avoid flashy jewelry. When traveling, use seatbelts and distribute your valuables across different secure locations. This not only keeps you safer, but also ensures a more relaxed travel experience. Prioritize your health by drinking bottled or boiled water and avoiding ice. Start with small portions when trying local cuisine and opt for fully cooked foods. Carry a medical alert bracelet if necessary, and keep hand sanitizer handy. If you experience stomach troubles, take a break from eating and drink plenty of safe liquids. To truly experience Fijian hospitality, engage with the locals. Learn basic phrases, participate in a kava ceremony, and embrace the Fiji time pace. Look out for the best deals and enjoy the local cuisine and social scene, even as a solo diner. Remember, the connections you make can turn a solo trip into an unforgettable journey. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures,